Tell me, tell me, if 5 bullets are fired, if 5 bullets are fired, tell me how many can hit the target. Tell me how many can hit the target. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, full stop. But imagine, I consider a time interval of, say, 10 to 11 a.m. Tell me how many customers can come at a bank. How many customers can arrive at a bank? How many can come to the bank? 0 can come, 1 can come, 2 can come, if 2 can come, 3 can come, 3 can come, 4 can come, 4 can come, 5 can come, 5 can come, 6 can come, 6 can come, dot dot dot, 99 can come, if 99 can come, 100 can come, dot dot dot. No reason why you stop at any one value, Ishika. There is no reason why you stop at any one value. It will go to infinity. Ishika, Nitshika, Ishika, Nitshika. In binomial distribution, it is 0 to n. समझा? But it is going to be infinity. My question is, tell me during 1 minute time, how many telephone calls can be received by the company? How many telephone calls can be received by the big company? How many telephone calls can be received by Pune Corporation for seeking the bed for the COVID-19 patient? How many telephone calls can be received by the crisis management department of Pune Corporation? It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, can go to infinity. Tell me in one day, how many ambulances can go around in Pune at present? How many ambulances can go to hospital? That can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up till infinity. My question is, tell me how many mistakes can be in the big book? How many mistakes can be there in the big book from page 1 to page last? From page 1 to page last. How many mistakes can be there? There can be 0 mistake, there can be 1 mistake, there can be 2 mistakes, 3, 4 up till infinity. So remember how many values of x are there. It is 0, 1, 2 up till infinity. Up till infinity means there is no limit. तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, up to infinity means there is no limit. But remember, it is in some interval. It is in some interval. That interval can be of 1 hour. That interval can be in 1 minute. That interval can be a day. That interval can be page 1 to page last. Some interval must be there. When x follows, कोई नहीं लिखेगा. When x can assume infinitely many values, infinitely many values in the given interval. ये important है. In the given interval. अभी ये इंटरवल हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? तर x to x plus n. अगर ये 10 o'clock है तो फिर 10 to 10 plus 1 म्हणजे 10 to 11 झालो. So that will become 10 to 11. In the given interval, then we say x follows a Poisson distribution with the mean m, X follows the Poisson distribution with the mean M. X follows Poisson distribution with the mean M. Abhi, what is this mean concept? Today, 3 customers can come at a bank. Tomorrow, 5 can come. Other day, 0 can come. By observing the past, I find the average of this, and that average is nothing but M, and this M should be given in the problem. That M should be given in the problem. That M could be and should be given in the problem. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? Why 1 10 to 11 म्हणजे कितने घंटे हो गए बेटा? From 10 to 11 means ये रेंज को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 10 to 10 plus 1 म्हणजे 10 to 11. अगर मेरे को 10 to 12 चाहिए तो it can be written as 10 to 10 plus 2 म्हणजे 12 झालं. Jahnavi, long ago, when you used to go to the school wearing that skirt and that papa was not a boot, when you used to go to the first standard, they taught you 10 plus 1 is 11. They taught you 10 plus 2 is 12. समझा है क्या? समझा है क्या? Taking tiffin in one hand, taking the water bottle in the other hand. When you used to go to the school, then that handkerchief on the chest, नाक पुसायला, नोज साफ करने के लिए वो handkerchief on the chest. That time it was taught to you that 10 plus 1 is 11. That time it was taught to you 10 plus 1 is 11. अभी मैंने कुछ नया नहीं बोला, मैंने वही बोला 10 plus 1 is 11. समझा है क्या तुमको? तो that M average is always given in the problem. That M average is given in the problem. And therefore, what I would love you to do is that even though the things are printed here, even though the things are printed over here, you must write it again on your own. You must write them again on your own. इसको तुम वापिस एक बार लिखो, अपने हाथ से लिखो. So write down when X can assume, when X can assume 0, 1, 2, up till infinity, infinitely many values in the given interval, in the given interval, in the given interval. Yet given interval को underline करो, and that is written denoted by x to x plus n. For example, you can write in order to avoid the confusion. If it is 10 to 12, then write it as 10 to 10 plus 2. In the given interval, we say that. Actually, we are not saying we are writing. Actually, we are not saying we are writing. But still we say we say. Still we say we say. Actually, we had to say we write. We say that X follows Poisson distribution. X follows Poisson distribution with the parameter M, where M is mean. M is mean found from the past data, found from the past records. found from the past data and given in the problem. Given in the problem. Given in the problem. That m ka value is given in the problem. That m value is given in the problem. That m value is given in the problem. लिखो. लिखो. That m value is given in the problem. बाळांनो, इसको लिखो. हो गया क्या बाळांनो? ये तुमका हो गया क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हाँ, तो अभी एग्जाम्पल्स लिखो बबड़ी. बबड़ी अभी एग्जाम्पल्स लिखो. देखो यहाँ लिखा है, अगर तुमको समझता है तो फिर एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. Number of customers arriving at a bank during 1 hour. एक समझने वाली बात यहाँ ऐसी है, यहाँ एक बात समझने वाली ऐसी है कि इंटरवल मस्ट बी गिवन. दिस इज ड्यूरिंग वन इंटरवल. नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स अराइविंग एट अ बैंक ड्यूरिंग वन आवर इंटरवल. नंबर ऑफ टेलीफोन कॉल्स रिसीव्ड बाय द कंपनी पर मिनट. यहाँ ये जो पर मिनट दिया है दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स ऑन द रोड पर मंथ, ये पर मंथ दिया है दैट इज इंटरवल. नंबर ऑफ डिफेक्टिव्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द कंपनी पर डे, ये पर डे दिया है. नंबर ऑफ बर्थ्स और डेथ्स इन द सिटी पर ईयर, यहाँ इनफाइनाइट हो सकता है. नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ जानवी, ये इनफाइनाइटली हो सकता है. 0 1 2 अप टिल इंफिनिटी. नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ जानवी, इट कैन बी इंफिनिटी. हाँ, पर डे करेक्ट. इट कैन बी इंफिनिटी. Then number of printing mistakes in the big book from page 1 to page last. It can be number of flowers in the garden. It can be the number of flowers in the garden. Number of flowers in the garden. Number of flowers in the garden from plant 1 to last. For the plant 1 to last. In all these cases, X follows the Poisson distribution with the mean M. X follows the Poisson distribution with the mean M. That M is the mean and it is the parameter of Poisson distribution. That is the parameter of Poisson distribution. That is the parameter of Poisson distribution. So tell me, binomial distribution had how many parameters? Binomial distribution had how many parameters? 2, M and P. सो समझने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। और कोशिश करने की हार इसलिए नहीं होती कि हार तो फूलों की होती है, हार तो फूलों की होती है बेटा। तो कोशिश करने वालों की हार कैसे होगी? लुक एट मी बेटा। तो अभी हाँ, तो अभी देखो, वो जो वधू होती है शादी के मंडप में, वधू जो होती है शादी के मंडप में, वो वर के गले में इसलिए हार डालती है क्योंकि वो वर को बताना चाहती है कि तू हार गया बच्चे, तू हार गया अभी जिंदगी भर के लिए, इसलिए वो हार डालती है। कड़क पहले पहले वधू डालती है, तुमको पता है क्या? पहले वधू डालती है हार, बाद में वर डालता है। पहले वधू हार डालती है, वो वर को बोलती है बच्चे तू हार गया। वो हार क्यों डालता है? वो हार इसलिए डालता है कि वो हार का स्वीकार करता है कि मैं तेरे सामने हार गया, इसलिए वो भी हार डालते हैं। वो तेरे सामने हार गया, ये कहने के लिए वो हार डालता है। करेगा। और वो दोनों भी हार फूलों के होते हैं। वो दोनों भी हार फूलों के क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि ये दोनों भी फूल होते हैं जो शादी करते हैं। ये दोनों भी फूल होते हैं जो शादी करते हैं। कर लगा। तो फूलों का हार होता है। पहले वो एक दूसरे के लिए फूल होते हैं क्या है? पहले वो एक दूसरे के लिए पागल होते हैं। पहले वो एक दूसरे के लिए पागल होते हैं बेटा। मैं तेरा तू मेरी बेटा। शादी के पहले साल में क्या होता है? मैं तेरा तू मेरी। फिर एक साल के बाद क्या होता है कि मैं तेरा, मैं मेरा तू तेरी। 2-3 बार साल के बाद क्या कहते हैं? मैं मेरा तू तेरी, तुझं तुझं माझं माझं, मैं मेरा तू तेरी। और फिर 5-7 साल के बाद बोलते हैं मैं कौन तू कौन, मैं कौन तू कौन। बरोबर ना? बरोबर ना? तो ऐसा असतो काय, तर ते जाऊ दे। तो यहाँ तुम नोट लिखो, तर यहाँ तुम नोट लिखो कि बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हैज टू पैरामीटर्स। बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, binomial distribution is biparametric distribution. Biparametric distribution having two parameters, having two parameters n and p, n and p. But Poisson distribution is uniparametric distribution. Uniparametric distribution is uniparametric distribution, and the parameter is the mean m. That parameter is the mean m. देखो, that parameter is the mean m. बराबर ना? मैं तेरा तू मेरी, मैं मेरा तू तेरी, मैं कौन तू कौन। लिखो, ये तुम लिखो, ये तुम लिखो। लिखा क्या? ओके, अभी आई वांट योर कंप्लीट कंसंट्रेशन। टेल मी what is the PMF of binomial distribution? Tell me what is the PMF of binomial distribution? What is the PMF of the binomial distribution? That is probability of x is r is nc r into p raised to r into q raised to n minus r. For r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up till n. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up till n. बट द पीएमएफ ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अगर वापस फिर से एक बार इधर लिखो, दैट द पीएमएफ ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज, द पीएमएफ ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज, लिखो दैट द पीएमएफ ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज, द पीएमएफ ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज, पीएमएफ ऑफ Poisson distribution is probability of x is r is e raised to minus m raised to r over r factorial for r is 0, 1, 2 up till infinity. R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up till infinity. R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up till infinity. Where e raised to minus m value is given in the problem. This value is given in the problem. This value is always given in the problem. ये e raised to minus m की जो value होती है, that is given in the problem. Don't worry about that. ये जो e raised to minus n की वैल्यू होती है, that is always given in the problem. समझा क्या? समझा क्या? तो जानवी आदित्य को क्या बोलेगी? शुरू में बोलेगी आदित्य बोलेगी, आदि बोलेगी, फिर शादी के बाद 2-3 साल के बाद बोलेगी तेरा नाम आदित्य क्यों रखा तेरे माँ बाप ने? तेरा नाम रखना चाहिए था मैडित्य। आदित्य नहीं है तू, मैडित्य है। मैडित्य क्या है? जानवी जानवी फिर उसको डांटेगी, ये तेरा मामा बार बार आता है, एक बार आया तो 4 दिन जाता ही नहीं है कि नहीं जानवी? तेरा मामा बार बार आता है, आया तो 4 दिन तक जाता ही नहीं है। है कि नहीं जानवी? पापड़ भाजने को बोलता है, हर खाने के समय पापड़ भाजने को बोलता है। और वो तेरी कजिन इशिका बार बार फोन करती है, ये किया क्या, वो किया क्या। उसको बोलना कि तू तेरा देख, वो तेरा केमिकल इंजीनियर है ना, उसके साथ रहना। हमारे बीच में क्यों बोल रही है? है ना, जापान से फोन करती है। और उसको बोला कि जापान से आती है तो ले आते समय लैपटॉप लेके हर बच्चे के लिए एक एक। तो बोलती है इतने सारे लैपटॉप मैं नहीं ला सकती। बच्चों के लिए लैपटॉप लाने को बोला तो बोलती है इतने तेरे बच्चे हैं, मैं इतने सबके लिए नहीं ला सकती। है कि नहीं? है ना जानवी, ऐसा होगा ना। चलो लिखा है क्या तुमने? तुमका लिखकर हो गया कि नुस्ते गप्पा मारते हैं, नुस्ते बातें करते हैं? लिखकर हो गया क्या? हाँ, तो अभी तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। जानवी गई अभी सपनों में, जानवी खो गई अभी सपनों में। ओके, अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। Look at me now. Look at me now. तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। My question to you is, tell me, what is the one situation of binomial distribution? Tell me what is the one situation of the binomial distribution? What is the one situation of the binomial distribution? What is the one situation of the binomial distribution? Tell me what is the one situation we remember in binomial. Tell me what is the one situation that we remember in binomial. So let us understand, suppose 5 bullets are fired. 5 bullets are fired. And how many can hit the target? My question to you is, tell me how many can hit the target? How many can hit the target? 5 bullets are fired, that is the one situation of binomial. Tell me how many can hit the target? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, full stop. I ask you, what is the probability that 2 bullets hit the target? Tell me what is the probability that 2 bullets hit the target? Bolo. What is the probability that 2 bullets hit the target? That probability is 5C2. And then suppose this is 0.6 raised to 2 and 0.4 raised to 5 minus 2. Well, now, imagine that the probability of success is 0.6 means 60%. अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो, instead of firing 5 bullets, dhad, you are using the AK-47 and you fire 100 bullets. bullets. You fire 100 bullets. Now my question is, tell me, if 100 bullets are fired, if 100 bullets are fired, tell me how many can hit the target. Tell me how many can hit the target. How many can hit the target? If 100 bullets are fired, how many can hit the target? It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up till 100 full stop. Up till 100 full stop. Now I ask you, what is the probability that 2 bullets will hit the target? What is the probability that 2 bullets will hit the target? Bolo. That will be 100 C2, 0.6 raised to 2, and 0.4 raised to 98. Now remember, finding such a big probability is not very convenient. 100 C2 0.4 raised to 98 is not very convenient for computation. Is not very convenient for computation. बायानो एक point को समझो. In case if this n is 100, calculations become hectic. So my first claim is that binomial distribution is convenient. Binomial distribution is suitable. बरगा एक point को समझो. Binomial distribution is convenient. तुम एक point को समझो. Binomial distribution is convenient only if n is small. Listen. Binomial distribution is convenient. Binomial distribution is convenient. Is convenient if n is small. n is small. म्हणजे असं, ये जो n है वो स्मॉल होना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ऐसा कि ये n ऐसा एकदम स्मॉल होना चाहिए, दिखना भी नहीं चाहिए. n is small. ये ऐसा बड़ा है तो फिर नहीं चलेगा. ये ऐसा छोटा होना चाहिए. ये n ऐसा छोटा होना चाहिए. समझा क्या? तर n must be small. n must be small. Small generally will mean what? Generally that n should be less than or equal to 10. Generally that n should be less than or equal to 10. This is very important statement that I have made. That binomial distribution is convenient only if n is small, generally up till 10. Generally up till 10. But if n is large, अभी तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. When this is 100, अभी कोई नहीं लिखेगा, मेरे तरफ देखो. Tell me, when this n was 100, could you write all the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 100? Could you write each value? No. That means you are stopping at a large number. That means you are stopping at a large number. And when you stop at a large number, practically means you don't stop. When you are stopping at a large number, practically what means it means is that you don't stop. See, stopping at a large number practically means you are not stopping. If Jahnavi and Aditya go to the garden, if Jahnavi and Aditya go to the garden, Jahnavi will tell Aditya, यहाँ कितने फूल है काउंट कर. कितने फूल है काउंट कर. अभी मेरे को बोलो गार्डन में फाइनाइटली मेनी फ्लावर्स हो गए या इनफाइनाइटली मेनी. There are finite, you can count. You can count. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ये नंबर इतना बड़ा है. ये नंबर इतना बड़ा है कि आदित्य बोलेगा, मैं क्या माली हूं क्या तेरे साथ यहाँ बाग गार्डन में आया तो फूल गिनने के लिए. मैं क्या फूल गिनने के लिए इधर आया क्या? मैं थक गया. So that means there are finite number of flowers, but still because that number is very high, therefore ये infinite बन गया practically. Theoretically it is finite, but practically it is infinite. यारे बाळांनो समझा क्या तुमको? तो अगर ये n बड़ा है, n large है, तो practically binomial distribution tends to become Poisson distribution. Practically binomial distribution will be approximated by Poisson distribution. When n is large, stopping at the large value practically means it's infinite, and therefore it becomes Poisson distribution. And therefore my next claim is in case if n is large. In case if n is large, if that n is large value, then the binomial distribution is approximated by Poisson distribution. Is approximated by Poisson distribution. ये तुमको समझा क्या? ये तुमको समझा क्या? Is approximated by the Poisson distribution. अभी सवाल यह है कि ये कन्वर्जन करे तो कैसे करे? ये कन्वर्जन अगर करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो कि व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. बोलो ना बाळांनो. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन? What is mean of Poisson distribution? We have written that this mean is m. We have written that the mean is m. And tell me what is the mean of binomial distribution? What is the mean of the binomial distribution? यार तुमको नहीं बोलना है क्या मेरे का? तुम्हारी कट्टी है क्या? हाँ, mean of the binomial distribution is nt. ये दो means should be equal. These two values should be equal. And therefore the conversion formula, don't write anything, I'll give you time and tell you what to write. Conversion formula is m equal to n into p. Conversion का formula is m is equal to n into p. अभी अपने एग्जाम्पल में मेरे को बोलो n कितना है. ये बुलेट वाले क्वेश्चन में n कितना था? बोलो ना. बुलेट वाले क्वेश्चन में n कितना है? 100. और p कितना है? नहीं, ये सेकंड. यहाँ यू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट बाइनोमियल टू पॉइसन ना. तो n कितना है? 100. और p कितना है? 0.6. p कितना है? 0.6. तो m इक्वल टू np मतलब m इज इक्वल टू 100 into 0.6. That happens to be 60. That happens to be 60. पालन हो बड़ा. m equal to np will happen to be equal to 60. अभी probability निकालते समय I would need the value of e raised to minus m. What is the PMF of Poisson distribution? I'll make a summary again later on, but पहले थोड़ा सा develop करो. What is the PMF of Poisson distribution? Is probability of x is r. Is e raised to minus m raised to r over r factorial. अगर ये m 60 है तो probability of x is 2 will be e raised to minus 60. 60 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. पढ़ना होगा. This 60 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. बट अभी ये पॉइसन का टेबल आपको एग्जाम में देंगे तो नहीं. This table will not be given to you in the examination hall. But still, for your reference, I am giving you that table here. For your reference, that table has been given to you. जरा मेरी तरफ देखो. when m is 0.0, e raised to minus m is 1. When m is 0.1, e raised to minus m is 0.9048. ऐसा करते करते when m is 1.4, e raised to minus m is 0.2466. फिर when it is 1.5, e raised to minus m is this. I mean, tell me what is the last value of m given? Tell me what is the last value of m given? 7. And for that, what is the value? For what is the, so what is the value of that e raised to minus 7? That e raised to minus 7 is 0.00091. अगर मैंने m की वैल्यू इससे आगे कंसीडर की, if I consider e raised to minus 8, then it will be 0.000, so many zeros, and this is inconvenient. This is inconvenient. पढ़ लो, ये तुमको समझाएंगे. तो m की वैल्यू लार्ज है, 7 से बड़ी है, then even Poisson becomes inconvenient. m की वैल्यू अगर 7 नहीं 0. वो 0 नहीं है जानवी, वो 0.0000 समथिंग है ना. प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 नहीं है, प्रोबेबिलिटी है, लेकिन वो कन्वीनियंट नहीं है निकालना. And therefore Poisson distribution is convenient only if m is small, m is finite up till 7. M is finite up till 7. If m goes beyond 7, even Poisson is not convenient. So binomial is convenient if n is less than or equal to 10. And Poisson is convenient if m is less than or equal to 7. If m goes beyond 7, Poisson will not be convenient. ये तुमको समझता है क्या? अभी ये अपने एग्जाम्पल में ये इतना बड़ा वैल्यू क्यों आया? अपने एग्जाम्पल में जो हमने लिया था, उस एग्जाम्पल में ये m इतना बड़ा 60 क्यों आया? ये m इतना बड़ा 60 क्यों आया? क्योंकि n लार्ज है, क्योंकि n इज लार्ज. पढ़ लो, तुम समझ गया. n लार्ज है, पर n तो लार्ज होना ही है, क्योंकि n अगर स्मॉल है तो हम पॉइसन की तरफ क्यों आएंगे? फिर बाइनोमियल से ही करेंगे, फिर बाइनोमियल से ही करेंगे ना. अगर n छोटा है तो why will you come to Poisson? You will remain with binomial. अभी ये n बड़ा होना ये तो लाजमी है, और उसके साथ ये प्रोबेबिलिटी जो 60% है वो भी बहुत ज्यादा है. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी भी लार्ज है. अगर ये 60% की जगह 1% होता, मतलब p would have been 0.01, then you can see 100 into 0.01, which is 1, which is convenient. This is convenient. यार तुमको समझा क्या? तो when do we convert binomial to Poisson? When n is large, but p must be small. When n is large, but p must be small. दोनों बड़े हैं, दोनों बड़े हैं, तो Poisson will be inconvenient. Poisson will not be convenient. So conversion of binomial to Poisson by formula m equal to n into p is convenient if n is large and p is small. अगर p भी बड़ा है, n भी बड़ा है, तो क्या करना है वो बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन पहले अभी ये समझो कि बाइनोमियल टू पॉइसन ये कन्वर्जन वैलिड कब है? When n is large and p is small. 1%, 2%, इतनी ही प्रोबेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. 40%, 50% प्रोबेबिलिटी अलाउड नहीं है. It should be close to 0. maybe 1%, 2%, 1.5%, 1.2%, close to 0%. इसलिए अभी बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट को हमें लिखना है. एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट को हमें यहां लिखना है. We had to write an important point over here. ये सब डिस्कशन तुम भूल जाएंगे तो भी कोई बात नहीं. ये सब डिस्कशन तुम भूल भी गए तो भी कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन ये पॉइंट को समझो, लेकिन ये ब्लॉक्स को समझो जो यहां लिखा है। तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, what am I saying? What am I saying? Tell me. I am saying, Berga, I am saying that we convert the binomial distribution to Poisson distribution. समझने की कोशिश कर, we convert binomial distribution, we convert binomial distribution to Poisson distribution, to Poisson distribution if number one, n is large and p is small, p is small, so that m equal to np is a finite value, generally less than or equal to 7. बट अभी समझने की कोशिश करो कि n is large is the English sentence, mathematical version of that is n tends to infinity. ये एग्जाम के एमसीक्यू में ऐसा होता है, n tends to infinity and p is small, p tends to 0. n is large means n tends to infinity and p is small means p tends to 0. Then we convert binomial to Poisson. अभी हम तुमको समय देते हैं, कभी कभी तरी और कहीं तरी ये तुमको लिखना है, तर अभी लिखो. Write down these two boxes. Write down these two boxes. Quickly write down these two boxes. Quickly write these boxes. हमने तुमको वक्त दिया है, हमने तुमको वक्त दिया है, लिखो. लिखो पटकन. ये तुम पटकन लिखो. ये तुम पटकन लिखो. लिखकर तुम्हारा हो गया क्या? ये तुम्हारा लिखकर हो गया क्या? ओके, तो फिर अभी लास्ट वाली नोट एंड वी शall start solving the problems. Last वाली note and we shall start solving the problems. Therefore, we arrive at the Poisson distribution. We arrive at the Poisson distribution in two ways. जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. We arrive at the Poisson distribution in two ways, in two situations. तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. Therefore, we arrive at the Poisson distribution. We arrive at the Poisson distribution in two ways. One is direct Poisson. One is direct Poisson. One is direct Poisson. And the other one is binomial converted to Poisson. Binomial converted to Poisson by the formula m equal to np. By the formula m equal to np. Abhi, when is it direct Poisson? It is direct Poisson if one value, only one value of mean m is given in the problem. Is given in problem. Then it is direct Poisson. But if two values of n and p, remember p is proportion or percentage, means probability. If two values of n and p are given such that n is large and p is small, if n is large and p is small, so that n is equal to np is finite value up till 7, then we convert binomial to Poisson. Then we convert. Now this is from examination point of view, very important. From examination point of view, this is very important. From examination point of view, क्योंकि बाद में तुम पूछेंगे बायनोमियल कब होता है और पॉइसन कब होता है. मीन m दिया है तो फिर इट इज पॉइसन. n and p दिया है, but if n is generally greater than 10, I convert binomial to Poisson. n अगर 10 से बड़ा है तो we shall convert binomial to Poisson. Then we convert that binomial to Poisson. इसको तुम होमोनो और लिखो. इसको तुम लिखो. इसको तुम लिखो पढ़कर. इसको तुम लिखो पढ़कर. हो गया क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या बाळांनो? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो गया है क्या बाळांनो तुमका? तो फिर अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। तो फिर अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। पहले प्रॉब्लम के लिए तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। For the first question, now you have to look at me. Has a full attention. It is known that on an average, two customers arrive at a bank per minute. On an average means only one value of mean m is given. Only one value of mean m is given. Average is 2 means mean is 2. So it would be a direct Poisson. You are not allowed to write anything. So it would be a direct Poisson. Because only one value of mean m is given is direct Poisson. But when you look at the second problem herein, when you look at the second problem herein, तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. When you look at the second problem herein, remember 1.3% of the flights are delayed. अभी 1.3% is proportion means probability की नहीं. 1.3% is the proportion means probability की नहीं. So P is given. And when P is given, N should be given. N flights are there. N flights are there means N is 100. Abhi N is 100. P is small 1.3. Therefore, it becomes binomial converted to Poisson. Hence, it becomes the situation of converting approximating binomial to Poisson. और therefore यहाँ समझने की कोशिश करो कि since only one value of mean m is given, it is direct Poisson. तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. Since only one value of mean m is given, since only value of mean m is given, it is direct Poisson. हम कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए नहीं मिलते हैं. We don't meet for doing the calculations. We meet for understanding what to do. We meet for understanding what to do. Such a value will be given to you in the problem. Such a value will be given to you in the problem. भारी की नहीं? भारी की नहीं हो बेटा? भारी की नहीं, ये वैल्यू दिया है, ये वैल्यू उन्होंने दिया है। तो अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, my first claim here is that since only one value, since only one value of mean m is given, only one value of mean m is given, it is a direct Poisson distribution. It is direct Poisson distribution. It is a direct Poisson distribution. That therefore x follows Poisson with m equal to 2. Now tell me what is the PMF of, कितना सोपा है देखो. Tell me what is PMF of Poisson distribution. Tell me what is the PMF of the Poisson distribution. Its probability of x is r, is e raised to minus m, m raised to r over r factorial. For r is 0, 1, 2 up till infinity. मान लो है तुमको समझा है क्या? Since only one value of mean m is given, it is direct Poisson. अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो, what is the first thing they want? Exactly one customer. Now exactly one customer means probability of x is 1. So it is e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 1 over 1 factorial. So it is 0.1353. 0.1353 and that into 2. So it is 0.2706. ये probability हो गया, ये probability हो गया. देखो m is 1.5. एक मिनट मेरे तरफ देखो. In our example, this m is given to be 1.5, and here this 1 is r. So it is rather m is 2, not 1.5. M is 2 and r is 1. So it is e raised to minus 2 to raised to 1 over 1. E raised to minus 2 to raised to 1 over 1 factorial. E raised to minus 2 to raised to 1 over 1 factorial. बाळांनो हे तुम्हाला कळलं का सोन्यांनो? ये तुमको समझा है क्या बाळांनो? हाँ, तो फिर अभी सेकंड क्या है देखो. सेकंड इज एटलीस्ट 2. कोई लिखेगा नहीं, हम तुमको लिखने के लिए समय देंगे बाद में. पहले समझो फिर लिखो. Now at least 2. Listen, at least 2 means probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. Means this is probability of 2 plus probability of 3. बायनोमियल में कहीं रुकता है, यहाँ तो इंफिनिटी की तरफ जाता है. So I will have to consider 1 minus. This is probability of 0 plus this is probability of 1. So 1 minus. This is e raised to minus 2 to raised to 0 over 0 factorial. E raised to minus 2 to raised to 1 over 1 factorial. So 1 minus. ये e raised to minus 2 को कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. फिर 2 raised to 0 is 1 and 1 plus 2. So it is 1 minus 0.1353 and that into 3. ये तुमके आंसर होगा. कैलकुलेशन तुम बाद में करो. कैसे करना है ये समझो. At most 3 customers. At most 3 customers का मीनिंग क्या है? X is up till 3. My x is up till 3 means probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3. ये up till 3 हो गया. फिर this is equal to e raised to minus 2 to raised to 0 over 0 factorial. E raised to minus 2 to raised to 1 over 1 factorial. E raised to minus 2 to raised to 2 over 2 factorial. Or e raised to minus 2 to raised to 3 over 3 factorial. But ये 0.1353 को मैंने कॉमन निकाला, तो फिर this is 1 plus 2 plus this is 4 by 2 and plus this is 8 by 6 ये आंसर होगा. And the fourth is 2 or 3. Means like this. 2 or 3 means 2 plus 3. मानो ये तुमको समझाया कि लेकिन ये सब में क्या है, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट सिंस ओनली वन वैल्यू ऑफ m इज गिवन, इट इज डायरेक्ट पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट। ये पहला प्रॉब्लम तुम पूरा करो, ये वैल्यू लिखो, दिस वैल्यू इज गिवन वैल्यू, इसको लिखो प्लीज, और फिर प्रॉब्लम को पूरा करो। आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम, कम ऑन, आई गिव यू द टाइम, इसको तुम पूरा करो, इसको तुम पूरा करो, इसको तुम पूरा करो। मानो तुमका हो गया क्या? ये तुमका हो गया क्या? तुम तुम्हारा तुम्हारा करो, कॉपी मत करो प्लीज, डोंट कॉपी। झालं का? Okay. Then I come to the second question here in. I then come to the second question here in. अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. See, e raised to minus 1.3 has been given to be 0.2725. इसको वानो दिया होगा एग्जाम में भी. They will give this in the exam as well. They shall give this in the exam as well. समझा है क्या तुमका? This is 0.2725. अभी मेरा तुमको सवाल ये ऐसा है, मेरा तुमको सवाल ऐसा है कि 1.3% मतलब क्या? तर 1.3% is the probability. देखो मेरे तरफ, 1.3% is probability and the number 100 is n. So since two values are given, since two values are given of n and p, therefore x follows binomial with n is 100, p is 1.3 over 100%, but n is large. Anything large means anything greater than 10, and p is small. What is the criteria to understand p is small? M equal to NP, 100 into 1.3 over 100, which is 1.3, is a small value less than 7. So X follows Poisson with M is 1.3. Parang no Ata no flight is delayed. Actually, it should not be number. It should be what? No flight is delayed. This should be what? No flight is delayed. 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 It should be no. But the no flight is delayed means what? Tell me. No flight is delayed means what? No flight is delayed means what? No flight is delayed means what? X is 0, correct. So what it means is that you have to find probability of x is 0. You have to find probability of x is 0. You have to find probability of x is 0. So तुम फाइंड कर सकेंगे क्या अभी? Probability of x is 0 and at most 2 का मतलब होता है probability of less than or equal to 2. Important statement is here. Since two values are given, it is binomial but converted to Poisson. Converted to Poisson by the formula m equal to n. अब तुम करेंगे क्या अपना अपना? इसको तुम अपना अपना करेंगे क्या? इसको तुम अपना अपना करेंगे क्या? करो. Okay, so x is 0 is e raised to minus 1.3, 1.3 raised to 0 over 0 factorial. That is given to be 0.2725. And this is probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, which is e raised to minus 1.3, 1.3 raised to 0 over 0 factorial, e raised to minus 1.3, 1.3 raised to 1 over 1 factorial, and e raised to minus 1.3, 1.3 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. So this 0.2725 is taken common. This is 1, this is 1.3, and this is 1.3 square over 2. Calculation तुमको करना है. ये calculation तुमको करना है. तुम इसको करो. ये कैलकुलेशन तुम करो, ये कैलकुलेशन तुम करो। इस कैलकुलेशन को तुम करो। तुम इस कैलकुलेशन को करो। तुम इस कैलकुलेशन को करो। हो गया है क्या तुमका? ये तुम्हारा हो गया है क्या? 0.8570 तुमका आया है क्या? दिस इज 0.8075, 8570, 0.8570 ऐसा आया है क्या? तो अभी ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए मेरे तरफ देखो। थर्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए मेरे तरफ देखो। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इट इज नोन दैट कंपनी रिसीव्स 0.8 टेलीफोन कॉल्स पर मिनट। इस सेंटेंस को देखो, एक वैल्यू दिया है क्या, दोनों वैल्यूज दिया है? एक वैल्यू, वन वैल्यू इज गिवन और टू वैल्यूज आर गिवन? ओनली वन वैल्यू, and therefore only one value of m is given. Only one value of mean m is given, and because only one value is given, therefore it is a direct Poisson. Hence it is a direct Poisson. Now my question is, tell me m is what? That mean is given to be what? Tell me that mean is given to be what? Tell me that mean is given to be what? Bola. But remember, this is 0.8 per 1 minute. This is 0.8 per 1 minute. But while asking the question, they are asking 2 minutes ka interval. I told you in Poisson distribution, interval is important. If it is 0.1 in 1 minute, tell me how much should it be for 2 minutes? What about 2 minutes? It will be 1.6 for 2 minutes. So x follows Poisson with m is 1.6. And then write down the PMF and find the probabilities. And then find out the probabilities. So this is e raised to minus m, m raised to r over r factorial for r is 0, 1, 2 up till infinity. तो अब एक एक probability निकालो. No call. No call means probability of x is 0. 3 or 4 calls means probability of 3 plus probability of 4. And at least one call means x is greater than or equal to 1. Means it is 1 minus probability of 0. करो. अब तुम्हारे लिए मैंने ये छोड़ा है. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए छोड़ा है. करो. ये हमने तुम्हारे लिए इसको छोड़ा है. हो गया क्या? So this is going to be equal to, this is e raised to what? This is e raised to minus 1.6, then 1.6 raised to 0 over 0 factorial. So it happens to be what? 0.2019. 0.2019. This happens to be e raised to minus 1.6, 1.6 raised to 3 over 3 factorial. And e raised to minus 1.6 and 1.6 raised to 4 over 4 factorial. So this is 0.20519 taken common. And this is 1.6 का cube over 6 plus 1.6 का raised to 4 over 24. कुछ तो आंसर आएगा. What is the answer? 0.1929. And this is directly going to be 1 minus 0.2019 is that 0.7981. This is 0.7981. ये तुमका आया है क्या? ये तुम्हारा आया है क्या? 12. ये तुमका आया है क्या? Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Then come on, start, go do this. Start, go do this. हमने तुमको इसके लिए वक्त दिया है. हमने तुमको इसके लिए वक्त दिया है. करो. It is known that 1.5%. अभी 1.5% क्या है मेरे को बोलो. Tell me 1.5% ये क्या है? Tell me 1.5% is probability. So P is given to be 1.5%. And N, how many vehicles are going? N is 200. So since two values are given, therefore X follows binomial with N is 200 and P is 1.5 over 100. But N is 200 is greater than 10. So we convert binomial to Poisson with M equal to NP with 200 into 1.5 over 100, which is 3. So same X follows Poisson with M is 3. Because exactly 2 meet an accident means probability of X is 2 is e raised to minus 3 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. Therefore, this is equal to, now e raised to minus 3 is 0.0498. And that into 9 by 2. ये आंसर होगा. और फिर utmost 2. फिर you want utmost 2. And when you say utmost 2, is x is less than or equal to 2. Means probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2. Means this is e raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to 0 over 0 factorial. Plus e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 1 over 1 factorial. And e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. करो अभी क्या होगा. 0.0498 is taken common. This is 1 plus 3 plus 9 by 2. ये तुमका आंसर होगा. This is the answer you get. This is 0.2241. This 0.2241. Check and confirm. And tell me what is this. Tell me what is this. ये कितना है? Tell me how much is this. This is 0.4233. This is 0.4233 comes to be the answer for this. Check it, confirm. This appears to be the answer. This appears to be the answer that you want. ये बाळंदो तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? बना लो। कल जब हम मिलेंगे तो इस डिस्कशन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। कल जब हम मिलेंगे तब फिर हम इस डिस्कशन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। ओके ओके बेटा, ओके ओके बेटा ना, ओके, वेरी नाइस। तो गुड बाय, गुड बाय।